Okay, welcome everybody. Today's videos is gonna be an unboxing the Raspberry Pi 4 GB official basic package, and this one I bought in online Taobao in Hong Kong. Is an online shopping platform that you can buy a lot of stuff from. Taobao, it's called Taobao. So from Taobao I have ordered this basic Raspberry Pi 4 GB kit. So this is what you get in the box. Is a Raspberry Pi 5 4 GB RAM. This is the one. The box looks really small. In fact, it is small. So it's a Raspberry Pi 5. The feature is 64 quad core Cortex-A76 processor, 4G LPDDR4X SDRAM, micro USB port. So okay, so you can get the more detail on this on the official website. So this is the how it looks. I'll open it later. Let's see first what's in the box. Some warranty card, registration maybe. Okay, they give you one micro SD card. Let's put that into card reader. Okay, they give you the 32 GB scan disk ultra, 32 GB A1 type, and one HDMI cable. And it's not, yeah, is it HDMI cable? Yes, I think it's HDMI cable. And another one is official Raspberry Pi 27 watt. So I was saying, so this is the official 27 watt USB-C power supply, power brick, whatever you call. Okay, it's made in Dublin. Okay, and this is a case that I ordered. This case is official Pi. It says made in UK. Everything is made in UK. This is legit purchase ordering. And they give you this extra Raspberry Pi, the project guide, or maybe the some tiny okay, so the manual, okay, the project that you can run. So this is what you get in the box. Let me put this aside. So one Raspberry Pi book, one Raspberry Pi brick, and the case, HDMI cable, and micro USB, okay, scan discs, micro SD. So this item that you get in the when you buy the Raspberry Pi official basic kit, guys, in Taobao, including this one. So let's open the first Raspberry Pi itself. Yes, I think everybody wants to know about this one. Let's see. This is my first time purchasing this Raspberry Pi, guys. I wanted to work on this one. My project on this one is Home Assistant, to install Home Assistant on this one. Currently I have installed in the mini PC, but I wanted to use only the Home Assistant. So this is the way I bought it. So my project is to work on the smart home, like OIT devices and that, and the Home Assistant helps to control all those OITs, which is open source. That's why I'm doing it. This project. Okay, it says open here. Let's open here. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is how it looks. Packaging is simple. And there we go. This is my one hand unboxing. Okay, so the motherboard, let me get it out. Okay guys, so this is how it looks from the back. Okay, there's not much detail on that one, but the IDs, so anyway, so it will not matter even if I show you guys. So this is the one, how it looks. That's the, okay, let's check the port. Two, okay, in fact 4 USB ports. I think 3 blue ones is the 3, other one is a 2, I think. 1 Ethernet port, and then the 2 micro USB, and the one is the USB-C. This one is the USB-C. USB-C, these are the micro USB, and then there is a port. And there's a port for the extension port, I think it's for the power supplies and other peripherals that you can connect. The pins is there. I have to dig more on this one. So this is the how it looks like physically, guys. For detail, I suggest you guys go to the official Raspberry Pi website. मा जानु होला अफिसरको लागि चाहिँ, तर उको लागि चाहिँ नर्मलको लागि चाहिँ दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स है. इट लुक्स हेभी बट नाइस. अलि हेभी छ तर राम्रो छ. र मेरो चाहिँ यो चाहिँ स्मार्ट होमको प्रोजेक्ट मैले गर्दैछु, सो त्यसको लागि चाहिँ यो चाहिँ मैले रास्पबेरी पाई ल्यायो, त्यही हो. अनि अर्को चाहिँ नाउ another one is a guy Raspberry Pi case. Okay, I think it says by the picture how it looks. So which way to open? Okay, this way to open. I'm a one. Oh, I'm a almost failed. I was saying I was a one hand unboxer or one hand expert in unboxing items. I have become now. So let's go this one. Okay, slowly. So this is how the case looks like. Inside box there is nothing. Okay. And there is nothing. So the box is basically, it looks like this one. Let me open if I can. The fan is inside. Can I? Yes. Can I? Don't break. Okay. There we go. So it's easy. So fan, it looks like inside is there. Then I have to pop it out. Is there any rocket science on this one? No. So I have to, okay, anyway, so I think I have to pop this out, pop it out, and then put the Raspberry Pi inside. So that's what you get in the box, how it looks like, the official Raspberry Pi box. And now the other one is brick, the power plug. This one looks really heavy, guys. It looks heavy. It's 27 watts. So there we go. So this is how it looks like. There is not much. Okay, here the back. There's a specification. There's 27 watt USB-C, blah blah blah. A1 and A2 and the volt. Okay, output is 5.1 volt, 5.0 ampere, 12 volt. So output is there. Okay, is up to 15 volt. It gives up to 15 volt and 1.8 ampere, guys. Okay, so there's a different variation and the output on this one. It's good. So other one is the cable. So one is, I think one end is a micro USB and another end is the HDMI. So I think there is not much to see on this cable. It's just basic adapter. This is the adapter, guys, and this is the ScanDex 32 GB SD card, microSD card. Okay guys, so I will end this video here. So it's nothing much, but this is how it looks like, the Raspberry Pi. And I think the cost wise, I think it's, I don't know, but it's okay. So this is what you get. Okay, so when you buy a bundle, you get everything, so you don't have to worry about the accessories that you have to buy separately. That's what I was thought while buying it. If you buy only the Raspberry Pi, then you have to, the bad thing I don't like about for the first time purchaser like me is that if I only buy the Raspberry Pi 5, then I have to buy all these accessories, you know, and I will not know, being a first user, which one is best for the Raspberry Pi. So everything is good for those who already has the casing and those, but for the beginners like us who wants to try this thing, I suggest that you go the official package. There's a lot of option in there that you can do it, but once you get used to it, then you know, then you have a clear idea of these things, then you can go and get the individual one. But I don't know, so but for me, I choose to get the official one, guys. This looks, the power block looks really, it looks really good. It's really heavy, not that heavy, but it's heavy, and it has a different variation of output as I showed you before. So that's the box. So guys, without any delay, so video is gonna be long, so I hope you enjoyed this video and it will help you to make decision while making a purchases. Like this one, like me, like when I always go through the daily mart, I always go through the confusion what to buy, which to buy, and what I will get in the box. So solely the main reason of my videos is not to give you the instruction this and that, but just to give you the idea, like once you buy, what you get, and then what you have in the box, so you can make up your mind. So that's the whole idea about it. But if you guys want any other video instruction on those, let me know, I'll try my best. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. सबैलाई धन्यवाद भिडियो हेर्दैकोमा, र if you want, I will update on my project, guys. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye.